Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to manually reset Wi-Fi adapter in Windows and help you fix common internet connection issues quickly. Now, let's get started. Step 1, click on the Start menu and open the Settings app, which is the main control center for your Windows system. In Settings, click on Network and Internet, because this section manages all Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and connection options. This is important since your Wi-Fi adapter settings are located here. Step 2, scroll down and click on Advanced Network Settings, where Windows keeps extra network options. Here, you will find different adapters like Wi-Fi and Ethernet listed clearly. This area allows you to manage, disable, or troubleshoot your network devices. Step 3, under the related settings, click on More Network Adapter Options to open the Network Connections window. This window shows all installed network adapters on your computer. It is important because this is where you can manually control your Wi-Fi adapter. Step 4, right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter, usually named Wi-Fi or Wireless Network Connection. From the menu, click Disable and wait a few seconds to turn it off completely. Disabling temporarily stops the adapter and helps clear minor glitches. Step 5, right-click on the same Wi-Fi adapter again and select Enable to turn it back on. This action manually resets the Wi-Fi adapter and refreshes its connection to the network. After enabling it, reconnect to your Wi-Fi and check if the issue is resolved. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech videos.